protecting the Earth's environment and promising green and sustainable development. KSB Shanghai has been actively exploring the path of corporate energy conservation and emission reduction. In 2023, we partnered with Shanghai Longqian New Energy Co. Limited to install solar panels on the roof of our factory buildings. We plan to install 8,787 solar panels on the roof of the team buildings, covering a total area of 45,674 square meters. With a 25-year contract period, the estimated total solar energy production is 130 million kilowatt per hour. Around 170 million kilowatt per hour of this will be used within the factory, covering 50% of the current electricity consumption, and the remaining power will be supplied to the national grid. The first phase of the project was completed in September 2023, covering a total area of 35,954 square meters across 12 buildings, with 7,287 solar panels generating 4,410,000 kilowatt per hour of electricity annually. The second phase is scheduled to be completed in May 2024, with the installation of 1,500 solar panels on the roof of the new PCC factory buildings, covering an area of 7,000 square meters and generating 900,000 kilowatt per hour electricity annually. Photovoltaic power products have a longer lifespan of up to 25 years, leading to a long-term reduction in carbon emissions during the energy generating process. After completion and operating of the first phase of the project, KSB Shanghai has already achieved a 30% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, a photovoltaic power generation brings significant economic benefits to the factory: a reduction of 4.6 million RMB of waterproofing costs, reduced electricity costs and dependence on the grid. Energy consumption per million RMB of sales reduced by 8.6%. This project features a fully automated online energy management system that integrates energy measurement collection, energy data analysis, energy saving facility control, and energy saving effect verification. The system is highly efficient and intelligent through the use of photovoltaic power generation and the implementation of energy saving measures. KSB Shanghai has not only been the forefront of energy conservation and emission reduction, but also demonstrated a commitment to social responsibility and determination. KSB is dedicated to promoting a more sustainable and environmental friendly future. We firmly believe that every effort we make is a solid step towards a cleaner, greener, and a brighter world.